Let me go with the problem number 10. Right, find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 79.2 centimeter, given that pi is equal to 22 by 7. See, they are given the circumference of a circle. We know that circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. We are supposed to find the radius, right? So this is what? This is circumference and this is radius, right? Let us go with this. Circumference of a circle they have given 79.2. This 2 pi r is equal to 79.2, right? R is equal to r 2 into pi. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 and 79.2. Now r is equal to 79.2 into 7, that divided by 2 into 22. Now simplify it here. 2 ones are, right? Here what happens? 11 sevens are, okay. So what I can do is I can go with 11 twos are, this what happens here, 11 sevens are 77, right? Then 11 sevens are 77, then 2 remainder, 11 twos are, this will become 7.2. See what happens here, 7.2 into 7, that divided by 2 into 2. Again simplify it. 2 3s are 6, 1 6. This will become what? 3.6 into 7 divided by 2. Again simplify it. 2 1s are 2 8s. This is 1.8 into 7. Now multiply it. 1.8 into 7. 8 7s are 56. 6 5 carry 7 1 the 7 plus 5 12. So the answer is 12.6. The radius of a circle. Radius of circle is 12.6 centimeter. This is the answer.